Hi everyone, today I have got something super excited to share with you, Trump's Empire. It is a fun, engaging business simulation game where you get to build your empire, hire managers, attract investors, and even make a real crypto earnings. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so that you can get a notification of my new videos in the future. On my channel, I share mostly those projects from where you can get income. But before doing investment, you can do your own research too. But before we dive into the review, I have got an awesome giveaway for you. I am giving giveaway of 50 USDT to one lucky winner. Here I will share the link in my description or in a pinned comment. Launch the game through the Telegram. That's it's your in. But there is the twist in that the more you play the game, the more you have a chance to win. The more business you upgrade, the more investor you attract, and the more progress you make, the higher chances of winning the 50 USDT. The giveaway will last for 7 days and the winner will be announced in my pinned comment under the video. So do not wait, get in, play, and you might just find yourself with some extra crypto. You have to go to the link, launch the game through the Telegram. That's it, and you have to play the game to get your better chance to win. So I share all that details. So now I will just go to the mobile screen and share with you that how you can launch the game on Telegram. Screen, you need to go on the Play Store. You have to download that Telegram. I already download that, so I will just go and open. And after opening the Telegram, I open that link which I already given to you in my video description and also in the comment area. You can see it here. So here is the bot. You just have to touch on that start and you can see it here. Here is their official channel, how to play and play option. I will go for the play. You can go for on the mini app on mini play game. You can see it is here, it opening. Trump's Empire, you can see it here, it's scrolling. After the scrolling will complete, I will share it with you further. You can see it here, launch your construction company to start and profit. I get it here. You can touch on that and you can see here the different levels are given. I get that 45 stars from here after opening it, and you can see it here and funds here. You can see exchange tradings here is the different about the property. You can see it here. You can time added here. You can see use a bit more star to extend your time for 4 hours. You can see now I add that and I use that. You can speed up too. In that way you can get more money from here too. Looking for a speed boost, you can complete that speed boost here. You can see there the express time servers here which is given here. You can see all that details here. We have the stars, USDT, and also the diamond one. You can see that massive one here which is given, and that's investment here. You can have to deposit in that because I have now. You can even increase the purchase. We need to speed up, use a multiplier. You have to just click on that. You can see it is given, so if you touch on that it will increase your money. You can see it is going up and you can even increase all that levels here. You can see 120 in 0 second. You can even increase the massive income from here. From you can see it here now it is 316. You can open managers, you can hire, you can here hire anyone. Here I have $94,106. You can hire even that. From here there are different one is given, so if you increase your money from here you can hire the first one. And you can see the investors here. You can even get the investor from here, but at that time I have zero here. So if I go back for run, you can see I have 394. As I get the 15,000 I am able for that. You can see the statistics here. You can see the achievement. You can speed 25. You can even unlock all that and you can see it here all the details about it. You can see their other statistics. You can see lifetime money earned. You can see session earned, lifetime earned. You can see all that. You can go for the upgrades too. For that you can see you need 2,50,000 here. You will get the profit into 3x. You can see all that. The more you make money, the more you will be able to open all these. You can see the client token. You can see it here. You can easily be able to buy it by one, or you can see all that. You have to get that by just diamond. You can see it here. I already shared with you the managers. So you can see you can also go for the investors. You can see your total investor here. Profit bonus for each investor will be 2% of your coin. Their investor claim will given here. You can also claim that. Try later when there is at least 100 investor available to receive. You can see your earnings. You can claim login options here. You can go for connect to tone. The more you invite your friend, the more you will be able to get that star, and you can use that. You can also join them on the Telegram channel. So I will just go and join them on channel, and I will get that 10. If I go for the friends option, you can see the more you share your link with your family and friend, you have to copy that link and share it with your family friend, so that you can make your own friend team, and you can get 10% from their profit, and you can also get 3% from their friends to friend profit. You can see it here, plus 30 for or a regular friend, and plus 90 for friend with a Telegram premium. You can see it here. So if I go back for the standards, you can see all that upgrades. You can see managers, you can see investors, and all the details about the friends here. So I will just go back and share with you. You can see I get that. You can see it's time for, you can click for the airdrop to an airdrop allocation TBA. You can see it here, all the detail. More points you get, the more you will be able to get allocations. Here are the different tasks are given. You can go for that. You can go for the words $100 trillion here, $100. You can see it here, and USD you can go for the Trump business. And now at that time I have not enough coin. As I get that coin, I can be able to go that I will get the passive income. You can also go and startup spend achievement. You can see all that. You can go for the shop here, all the details you can buy here. You can see that it here, the stars. You can even buy star by the dollars. Now it's up to you that how you can go for that. You can see I have here. So if I go and touch on it, I will go for the exchange too. So you can see you can get money on it too. You can even increase. Now here you can see I am at level 59, and in investment fund I am at level number 17. You can increase that. You can see the max purchase here. You can even speed up for that by use of this. You can have to just buy it. I have here 10 because I joined that the Telegram. You can see exchange trading here, profit cryptocurrency. You can see all that by one and one. You can see that. You can even open all these as I open it here, the exchange trading. So you can open all from here, and you can get money here all. So you have to just spend it here, the money. If I get 8,640 from here, I am able to open that. You can even open that in front of you. I am sharing all that details. You can make money easily by just completing all these, and in this way you can work. Here you can see I'm able to open the cryptocurrency, and you can see it just take a few seconds, and you can easily be able to make your money at 1 lakh 3. So I see the upgrades. I share with you about the upgrades, investor and climb bone. You can see the managers you can hire here. The manager, you can see it here, I hired that, and you can claim for that. You can earn for inviting friend, and all details I shared all. You can see it here, and it's going on. And as you can see, you will get at 1 lakh 3. You will go for the social network. You can also go for the massive one, and you can also go for that. You can go for the play game. You can play to earn different games, and you can make money on it too. All in all, Trump's Empire is super fun and unique experience. I already shared with you about that. It's an idle business simulator with Web3 twist, and if you enjoy these types of game, this one definitely worth checking out. A couple of quick tips I want to share with you: that you have to hire manager early, that you can get your passive income. They are your key to passive income. Do not waste stars on small upgrades. Save them for the big stuff. Invest in a new business regularly. The more you expand, the faster you will progress. And remember guys, the 50 USDT giveaway is on, and the more you play, the better you have chance of winning. So if you have not already, make sure you click in the link of in the description that I given. I already give that link in my pinned comment. Play the game, launch the game on Telegram, play the game. The more you play, the more you have chance to win. The giveaway lasts for 7 days, so get it now, start playing, and do not forget to check the pin comment for the winner announcement. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, and also subscribe. Let me know in the comment how far you have gotten in the game, or your biggest business upgrade so far. I would love to hear your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching.